Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin Up demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome to January's Global Monthly Video Hop. This is the first one for 2026. I'm super excited that you're here and I hope that you will hop along with everyone that's participating this month. Now I'm creating this gorgeous card. Now this month's theme is the mini catalogue, which is available now. It's a January to May. And full of really great products inside. I've actually gone with the Sweet, Lovely and Beautiful. You can find that on page 23 all the way through to 29. So there's lots and lots of products in this suite. It's like a huge suite because it has two bundles. We have this ephemera kit. We've got ribbon embellishments and DSP. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm using a little bit of everything in this whole card, and I'm super excited to be sharing this card with you. It's a really fun fold. And look at these gorgeous papers. They are gold foiled, specialty embossed DSP, and the other side has absolutely beautiful colours. Now the coordinating colours with this whole suite is Petal Pink, Calypso Coral, Peach Pie, Darling Duckling, Old Olive and Fresh Freesia. And I'm making a really nice Christmas card. Oh my goodness, a wedding card. Anyway, so here are the products that I'm using. Now I'll tell you the measurements as we go through. But this is a triple stepper card, so so much fun. We've got Calypso Coral cardstock, we've got basic white thick cardstock, Petal Pink cardstock, and the other little pieces there as well. Now to start off with, this is a piece of Calypso Coral cardstock, measures 10 and 5/8 by 5.5 or 27 centimeters by 14 centimeters, and we're going to do some score marks. So 2 and 1/16, 4 and 1/8, 5 and 7/8, 7 and 5/8 and 9 and 1/8, or if you're in the metric, 5.2, 10.5, 15, 19.4, 23.2. Now I'm really going to try and make a conscientious effort. I don't think that's the word, but I'm really going to try hard to make sure that I give my metric measurements as well as my imperial. Although I live in Australia, I really like the inches measurement. I don't know, to me it makes a lot of sense, and probably because I've been following card makers for a long time who are Americans, so they do the imperial. But I'm going to try and use my metric as well for my followers in Australia and the rest of the world that use that. So here we have all our pieces set out. Now I will try and put all the measurements in the description down below for you. But what we're using is that beautiful bundle. It is called the Beautifully Created Dies, and we're going to use the this one here is that little twig set. I'm just using a piece of Calypso Coral cardstock to die cut that one first. Then with our Calypso Coral cardstock, we are going to die cut the largest shape there, and that's going to be our backing piece. Then we're going to come in with that second largest shape, and we're going to die cut both the DSP as well as another piece of Calypso Coral. So they're going to be the matting for the first and second shape there. And then the third largest, we're going to die cut another DSP shape. That gives us our two pieces. And then that one that we're going to use for the DSP will also cut another Calypso Coral. So we're using them together to be able to create the matting as well. So hopefully that all makes sense. I'm also doing the fourth largest shape and cutting that from Petal Pink cardstock, and that's going to give us our front panel piece. So once we have those done, we are right to bring in our card. So I have scored those measurements. I did miss out on the 7 and 5/8 and the 19.4 centimeters. So I'm going to go in and make sure I pop that one in. I don't know how I missed that, but that's just the way it goes sometimes. And what we're going to do is, when we've got these all scored, so I'll just give you those measurements again: 2 and 1/16, 4 and 1/8, 5 and 7/8, 7 and 5/8, 9 and 1/8, or 5.2, 10.5, 15, 19.4 and 23.2. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take that, there's a smaller piece, which is obviously the 2 1/16. That one there we're going to score mountain, and then we're going to do valley, mountain, valley, mountain. And that's going to give us our triple stepper card base. Okay, so we have our card base ready and all our elements ready to go. We're just going to start putting it all together. Now, if you have just come across this video, you may not know much about the Global Monthly Video Hop, but it's a group of Stampin' Up! Demonstrators from around the world. We get together each month with a new theme and we do a video hop. So in the description of this video, you will see everyone that has taken part this month. So please, once you finish this video and you've given, you know, the thumbs up, you've hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, you've left a comment, please go over and have a look at what everyone else is doing in this hop. We would greatly appreciate it. But you will get lots and lots of inspiration each month, so please make sure that you've hit that subscribe button and keep coming back for more. And I love that our group, you know, that we get together each month, and we have some really great themes as well. And 2026 is going to be another year full of really great projects and ideas for you. Okay, so we have taken this piece of petal pink cardstock, and I've just heat embossed the sentiment there to the happy couple with the gold embossing powder and the Versamark ink. And then we're going to take some of these ephemera pieces. So we've got a gold leaf as well as a gold flower, and they are vellum. It's a very thick, strong vellum, but I just wanted to back it on some petal pink cardstock so it would really show off that color a little bit better and wouldn't be so see-through, and also helps me to attach the vellum leaf as well. So I've just added it down onto the petal pink cardstock just with a little bit of Seal Plus, that way it doesn't show through, and we've just attached it there, and I've just fussy cut around that rose ephemera piece. Okay, so petal pink ink, we're just going to stamp the sentiment, and I've gone with what did I go? Wedding Wishes, and then a little flower using that same ink. Now this whole suite is perfect for your wedding themes, or, you know, other great occasions. I actually got it for my daughter's wedding. She's having a cottage garden wedding, and I thought this would maybe go really well with some scrapbooking pages and things, because these are her colors as well, which is amazing. Okay, so we're just layering up our two images, the Calypso Coral and the DSP, as well as the petal pink ones. Now for the front one, I am using some dimensionals, so popping them up. This also helps to give that little bit of extra interest. And we can also pop up our flower piece once we've added our little Calypso Coral leaf or twiggy sort of branchy pieces behind there as well. And you can use glue dots, liquid glue, whatever you have in your stash. And I'm also going to add a nice little faux bow with this gorgeous ribbon. Now this ribbon is called White with Gold. It's 3/8 inch ribbon. It's actually more of a cream color rather than a white, but it is so pretty. It's got the gold flecks in it. Very, very elegant, absolutely gorgeous with this suite. So we've just sort of added that to the back there as well. And then we can add our little pieces in as well. Now, if you're in need of any of the supplies that I've used in today's card, the lovely and beautiful suite collection, you can purchase in my online store. There is a link in the description of this video. If you live in Australia and you would like to purchase some Stampin' Up! Supplies, you can certainly do that there. I've got some great benefits for all my customers who shop with me each month. There's free gifts that go out, and I love to spoil my customers. And so if you're after a demonstrator, maybe you're after a catalogue, and you're not already working with a demonstrator here in Australia, let me know and I will happily send you one out. So we're just going to pop these up, and yeah, this card comes together so quickly. Now you can use any shape that you have. This triple stepper card would work in any die cut shape, even if you're doing a square or a circle, you know, whatever you have. I really loved these nesting dies. I do gravitate towards nesting dies, and I think this one worked really well. I'm not really sure what shape you would call that, but if you know what shape that's called, let me know, because I think it just worked so beautifully. Okay, so we have our things. I did actually put a couple of dimensionals in the wrong spot, so I've just pulled them off, making sure that they're not going to stick my card together when I pop it all together. Okay, now before we add our pieces, as you see, whoop, wrong, bring in our die cut, our pieces of designer series paper. These measure 5 1/8 inch across, and we've got a 1 3/4 inch piece, 1 1/2 piece, and a 1 1/4. So 5 1/8 by 1 1/4, 5 1/8 by 1 1/2, and 5 1/8 by 1 3/4. And these, it looks so good that you can see all 3 steps when you push it together. So absolutely gorgeous. So we're just adding them to each step, and we're going to pop up that first piece with some dimensionals. We've added the back piece. We will be adding the back piece just with some liquid glue, and then to finish it off we have some of those beautiful embellishments. Now they are called pearlized faceted circles. There's 120 pieces in that, and they are 4 and 5 millimeters in Calypso Coral, Petal Pink, and White. So they work perfectly with the whole color scheme of this card. Now if you have enjoyed this card, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Don't forget that you can hit subscribe if you haven't done already. And this is a video hop with my friends with the Global Monthly Video Hop, so make sure you check the description and see who else is doing the video hop this month for January. Go and check them out because it'll be a lot of fun. Now again, this theme is the mini catalogue, which is now available. It come out on the 6th of January, so you can go over to my online store and check that out right now. If you live in Australia, you can also purchase through my online store as well, so go and do that, and I would love to spoil you as a customer. Alright, so there we have it. This is January's Global Monthly Video Hop. My name is Tracy. I'm so excited that you've been here today and spend a little bit of crafty time with me. I hope you'll come back really soon and do a little bit more crafting with me. Alright everyone, enjoy your day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!